Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn how to solve for area of a circle. So it starts off with these 5 steps. First you're going to write down the area formula, which is A equals pi r squared. Then you're going to find the radius of the circle, whether it's given or you have the diameter and you have to divide by 2. Then you're going to square the radius. So say your radius is 2, you're going to square it and get 4. Then you're going to multiply by pi, but instead of using 3.14159 and infinity, you're going to use 3.14. Then, you're not done after you get that answer. You're going to put in the units squared. So if your problem has inches in it, you're going to have at the end inches squared. If your problem has feet in it, you're going to have at the end feet squared. So let's do a couple of examples. So right here we have a couple examples, one with the radius and one with the diameter. So let's start with the one with the radius. So this radius is 4 centimeters. So we're going to start with our first step, which I already done, which is write down the formula, A equals pi r squared. Alright, so now we're going to solve, and we're going to take the problem, and we're going to put pi first, and then we're going to put 4 squared. So 4 squared, as you can see here, would be 16. So pi times 16. Now we're going to change it to 3.14 because that is pi. And we're going to put the 16 next to it. So now we're going to take out our calculator and we're going to do, clear this, we're going to put 3.14 times 16. And that equals 50.24. So we're going to put that in our answer. Area equals 50.24. And don't forget that you have to do centimeters, but make sure the centimeters is squared. So now let's move on to diameter. Diameter is different because we don't have the radius yet. So to find the radius, we have to divide by 2, since there are 2 radius in a diameter. So once we divide that by 2, we get 8 inches. So our radius is 8 inches. So now we're going to start our problem like we did the last time. Pi times 8 squared. Now 8 squared equals 64. So it'll be pi times 64. Then we're going to change pi to 3.14 in parentheses and 64. So now we're going to go back into our calculator and we're going to see what this equals. So 3.14 times 64. And we get 200.96. So we're going to plug that in and we get A equals 200.96. And now since we have inches in our answer, we're going to put inches and make sure you put a squared. And that is how you solve for radius, with a radius and a diameter of area of a circle.